Okay, hi everyone. Today we are going to be talking about addition and how to do addition. But before we do that, I need you to use your imaginations with me. Have you ever been in the car and been on a really big highway? Like I mean a really big one. One that has lots of driving lanes in it. And have you ever been on the road and all the cars are going the same direction down the highway together? Maybe some highways have 3 lanes. Some highways have 5 lanes. But the thing about highways is that all the cars have to go the same direction if they're trying to go to the same place. So today I want you to think of a car and I want you to think of highways. Okay? When we see big numbers like this, do not get, it won't stay up. It's silly. Oh, look. There it goes. Boom. Let's see if it'll stay. Really? I touched it. I doomed it. I touched it. Ah! Really? Stay. Mama power. Mama power right there. Okay. So, hopefully I will not touch this board again. When we go to do addition today, I want you to think of a big highway. And what do we have on highways? Well, every car gets its own lane that it drives in. So today I want you, every time you see a number problem, first thing I want you to do is I want you to draw your driving lanes, because we're going to pretend like this addition problem is a great big highway. Okay? So we're going to take our pen and we're going to draw on this one. One big highway. See that right there? There's a big highway lane right there for our massive car, which I've got right here, to drive straight down. But the thing is that there's 2 sets of numbers, so we need another driving lane. You do driving lanes in between all of your numbers. Now, when you're on the highway, one thing that is extremely important is that you watch your signs as you're driving by. Because if you don't watch your signs, you don't know where you're going. You don't know if you need to turn off, or if you need to stop, or slow down, or go faster. Sometimes you get to go faster. Zoom, zoom. Okay? So the second thing we need to do is we need to circle our driving sign. And this addition sign right here, that's our sign. That thing that does not look like a number, that's our sign. It tells us what to do. And this crossy looking plus thing tells us that we need to put numbers together to make a bigger number. It's called addition, and that's called a plus sign. Okay, so we need to circle it so we know what we're doing. We're going to draw our line down here so we know where our car is going. And let's try to do this problem real quick, okay? We're going to take our car right here, and we're going to start up here at the top, because our car always goes from top to bottom. Always. That's the way he drives. He starts at the top and he goes. Now, as he zooms by these numbers, he's going to put them all together, because that's what our sign is telling us to do. It's telling us to put things together. So here goes our car. He's going to go past the 4. So he now has 4. Then he's going to go to the 3, and he knows he needs to add 3 to this 4. So what is that? We had 4, and we added 3 more. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. So this little car is going to zoom down with the number 7, and he's going to drop off the number 7 right here. Okay? Because 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay? Now this little car, he's got to go back up to the top, and he's got to start in the next lane. Ready? He's going to zoom down this highway now. This is where he goes. So we're going to go down, and he sees the number 3. Okay, this little car has a number 3. Now this says to add 2 to that 3. So if we had 3 and we added 2 more, that's 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the little car is going to stop right here, and he's going to put that 5 right there. And there's our answer. There's no more numbers. There's no more lanes. There's no more numbers. So car's done. Good job, little car. We are so proud of you. He did great. So our answer is 57. And do you know what? 57 is a huge number. And you just did it. You just added two really big numbers and you got an even bigger number. I am so proud of you. Look at how great you did. See, you really can do this. I am very, very, very proud of you. Okay, we will come back here in a little bit and we will try some more, okay? Bye-bye for now, though. Good job.